So today, I want to touch on a very sensitive topic, which I used to think was only residing in books and was never true until unless I saw it with my own eyes and heard it, which is about caste discrimination, which is still very prominent in India. And believe me, I have seen grade 1 and 2 students will not sit with the other lower caste people, or if the cook is there and she is from a lower caste, there would be meetings which would be there, and it will be a very big problem that parents will take their kids out of the school just because they don't want the lower caste people to sit with their upper caste people. And now when you talk about it, people would be like, hey, education will solve everything. They're illiterate, they don't know. Make them literate, make them education. But when the teacher comes to the class is sitting in different divisions, different groups. How do you sort this out? So I remember about Neil Nodding's Ethics of Care paper, wherein he talks about moral education. That if you want to tell them about empathy, do it. Show it in your actions. So if you want to eradicate caste, you don't just say that everyone would be treated equally when you are giving more privilege to the Sharma ji people and not the person who have just come. So for that, you need to show it in your actions. Sit with the lower caste people, eat with them, give them more attention or equal attention. Try to give them a equal sitting, like mix and match the students in the groups. Have some role plays, have some activities in the sense, tell them that what if nobody could touch the canteen, maybe the concept of untouchability will come. Do not just share the role model's example, but be a role model for them in that personal, in that private, in that small context. Because when they will see कि उनकी खुद की teacher is being a role model for them, bro, that changes. And when you do this with those kids, I'm telling you, some change would be there. Even if it is 5%, 10%, see the satisfaction that you will get. And with that, have some activities in the sense ki you come up in the class and tell them that today we'll be having a fun game wherein you give them some cards wherein they have to depict rich people or poor people, and then tell them how they have to go through so many things in those problems. They have to go through so many barricades. um Try this and then see how it works. If not, then we'll figure out something else which would actually work.